Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix sorry something went wrong error in Black Myth Wukong. First, go to your Steam and select Black Myth Wukong. I'll do this on the CS as an example because it works on all games. Simply right click on it and go to Properties. Go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of the game files. Just wait for it to load up because it would take a little while. Now, after that, simply restart your Steam and open the game. If that didn't work, let's go to the second step. Second step is closing the Steam. Make sure you close it to here. And after that, open Steam as administrator. Simply search on Steam, click on Open as Administrator, then open the game, and that's it.